Hey folks, in this video I will be showing you how to share a template. So I have already made a balance sheet report which I will be using for this demonstration. Your first step is to go to extensions in the menu bar, scroll down, find G-Accon Xero, and then go ahead and select update, modify, delete templates for current sheets. Your first step is to save this in cloud, and don't forget to give your cloud template a name. So I'm just going to name it balance sheet template, and you're going to go ahead and save that. Then once it has been saved, go back to extensions, find G-Accon Xero, select load cloud template, and then workspace cloud template library. So as you can see, I have quite a lot of templates. So again, if you have a lot of templates, you can also narrow down your search by selecting your template type as report. Then I'm going to go ahead and select and find my template that I want to share. So I found out on the very bottom, I'm going to click this middle icon to share. I can either share it with one person by simply typing in their information, Google account information, or I can share with everyone in your group just by clicking this box. And I also want to note that you can only share it with your group if you have the group licensing. Then you can just go ahead and click share. Then if you are a person that the template is being shared to, so you're receiving the shared template, you want to first make sure that the application is installed, and then you can just find it under extensions, going to G-Accon Xero, and then selecting load cloud template and workspace cloud template library. And then you can find the shared template over in here, and you can just go ahead and to access, double click on the template shared to you, and then execute. Then your template should be on your screen, and this is how you share a template within a team or with your customer if they do want to refresh their queries by themselves. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to stay tuned for new upcoming videos.